Hi everyone! I am using my new camera, so that's my mom. She wants to say hi.
Hi!
So my mom wants to appear in this new kind of video cooking. So we're gonna make Petit Sablé. I'm gonna switch from French to English a lot because there's a lot of vocabularies that I don't have. But first, let me show you what we're gonna eat at lunch. My favorite meal. Mommy's just awesome. Oh, look at that! And look what's on the oven. It's an oven. It's a apple pie. That's my beautiful mom. We look alike a lot. Oh, she's so cute. So with my mom, we're already prepped all the ingredients that we're gonna need, and we actually are making Petit Sablé, but gluten-free because my dad can't eat gluten, and I want my dad to also enjoy. Oh, that's the apple pie. That's amazing. Don't worry, mom, it's okay. So yeah, I want my dad to also enjoy this little Petit Sablé, so that's why we're gonna make it gluten-free. It's a very simple recipe, but even if it's simple, I'm gonna have to get the help of my mother because I'm horrible at cooking. So yeah, so basically we have good at talking French, farine de châtaigne, poudre d'amande, du sucre, de la maïzena, an egg somewhere. Where is the egg? Here. Butter, and that's what we're gonna, comment on appelle ça, maman? Voilà, hein? And we got some of that to, decorate, if I can say that. Our little gâteau. So that's it. The light isn't that good, so I'm very sorry about it, but we're gonna try our best with my mom. Right, Mom? Yeah? Hi everyone! It's very new for me, so don't know exactly if I'm doing that well.
Je vais te passer tous les ingrédients, puis tu vas faire devant.
Alors, déjà je vais mettre.
Alors, on y va. Alors, la farine. Le châtaigne. Sucre.
We're keeping it simple. I like it. One spoon.
Ouais, c'est bon. Le bœuf. On se coupe. Voilà. Et je vais faire un petit peu. Tu vas mettre la main à la pâte.
La main à la pâte. C'est l'expression française d'ailleurs.
Il est bien moelleux, hein.
Nickel, ça c'est la chose.
À toi l'honneur.
Ok.
Vas-y, allez.
On voit qu'il y a du talent là. Ah ouais, putain.
Et voilà.
Wow. Wow, trop bien.
Bon, on va la mettre au frais. Marie,
So-
elle a plein les mains.
Look at me. And look at my mom. Mom, she's just perfect. She made it just look perfect. And look at me.
Ok.
Voilà.
Oui.
That is one of the gifts for my father, you know, on Tuesday, as I told you. And it's rhum arrangé, and it's very good. T'as aimé, maman?
Oui.
Ouais. It's good. It's good.
La boisson d'homme.
So, with my mom, I was actually editing the video because we were waiting for the pâte to être au réfrigérateur. And then when it will be done, we're gonna decorate it. Here we go. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Ok, moi je vais prendre celui-là, un petit cœur.
C'est beaucoup plus mou que je pensais. C'est bon. Waouh. Bravo Marie.
Bravo maman. Je vais refaire toi. Voilà. Very delicious. Qu'as-tu pensé de cette petite séance de cuisine, maman?
Très contente.
Très contente
de cuisiner avec ma fille. Je la vois pas souvent.
Ouais, bah oui, en plus. Ouais, c'est cool. Du coup,
prochaine cuisine, quand Marie reviendra.
Tu voudrais qu'on fasse quoi? Salé, sucré?
Peut-être salé.
Salé? T'as des trucs en tête?
Une pizza.
Oh, pizza maison.
Ouais.
Maman, elle fait des pizzas magnifiquement bonnes. Voilà pour ce cours de cuisine by FrenchTastic and FrenchTastic's mom. Beautiful. Bye guys, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.